Hey buddy, please stop being afraid of what people think of you at the gym, because no one goes to the gym with a specific thought of judging you. People are there to spend some good time. Yeah. And actually, they will laugh with you rather than laugh at you. And I know, getting an athletic body is not an easy task and it might take some time. That's why you need to work out daily to achieve a nice body shape. But since you're watching that video, I assume that you might feel a little bit anxious about going to the gym and have that thing called gym phobia. If so, then keep watching that video until the end and you will find out various tips that will help you to overcome this fear and you're going to become a true gym freak yourself. My name is Atanas, your favorite health coach, and I hope you're well and ready to learn something new. Let's get started. At that point, I believe that you're not satisfied with your body shape and your health in general, and you're planning out to start working out, but you're scared that people might laugh at you at the gym. Or whenever you exercise in the gym, the other lifters might judge you because of your lack of strength or knowledge. But yeah, keep in mind that you're not alone in this. So many people around the world want to go to the gym but fail to do it because of their gym phobia. Yep, gym phobia or gym anxiety is a real thing, but I got your back, buddy. You're about to learn a few tips and tricks that will help you overcome your fear of the gym judges and help you become a true gym rock star. I know many things that you can do to overcome your gym phobia. Let's start with the simplest and easiest step. One of the main reasons people might face gym anxiety is because they think that they are not as good as other people in the gym. If you're new, please be kind to yourself and start slowly. Go to the gym at off-peak hours. To get the best out of your workout, you can go at times when the gym is not overcrowded. It means starting with going to the gym off time or very early in the morning. These are the times when there are very few people in the gym and it will make you feel less self-conscious and you can focus better on your own exercise routine. Concentrate on your workout. Focus on your own workout rather than focusing on the other people in the gym. Put some loud music so that you cannot hear the chats of the people around you. This will help you keeping your thoughts to yourself and your own workout. You won't even have time to think and compare yourself to others. Learn about the machines and the exercises. Another factor that can cause this gym phobia is not having proper knowledge. If you are not well educated about different machines and exercises, it will definitely affect your confidence. Before starting your workout, learn about the different machines, their benefits and how they work. You may already be asking yourself,
okay, Atanas, but how to do it?
Let me give you two options here. The first one is ask the personal trainers in the gym, or you can search for the name of the machine. There are usually stickers on the top of the machines or somewhere around, and you can check their names there and just write the name on Google or on YouTube, and you will find tons of videos and information about exactly that machine and how to use it properly. This will absolutely help you get more confidence in your workout and stop this gym anxiousness. And hey, the next time you go to the gym, you can help someone who doesn't know how to use that particular machine. And trust me, helping people in the gym, it's a great feeling. Don't be embarrassed. Never ever be embarrassed by what you're doing. Even if you're a complete beginner, you're trying your best. And please never be ashamed if you fail or don't have the proper posture. You can always ask someone of the other people in the gym to check if you're performing that exercise correctly. And as everything in life, practice will make you perfect. So don't be afraid of anything. Keep working out as hard as you can. Ask a friend to accompany you to the gym. Actually, I'm always encouraging my clients to think about someone in their surroundings who is already a gym freak and do a couple of workouts with them. Who knows? It might turn out to be your next best friend. By the way, I can proudly say that so far I have built most of my strongest friendships exactly in the gym. To all my gym bros, keep on working hard. Lastly, never give hope. Keep practicing and working out hard to look as good as the best looking people working around you. Next to that, set goals for yourself to feel a sense of victory every time you accomplish them. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bag, follow my tips and join the gym to build the best body you have ever had. And on the way to the gym, if you want to spend some more time educating yourself with healthy videos, go check over here my latest upload and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. I'll see you next time with another informative video. Until then, take care and go smash that gym. Goodbye.